Welcome to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down the horse top 5 automatic espresso machines you should know about, ranked for taste consistency, ease of use, cleaning, and value. If you want barista-style drinks at the tap of a button, this list is for you. Number 5. Philips 3300 LatteGo. If you want true push-button convenience under $1,000, this is the classic crowd pleaser. The LatteGo milk system snaps on and off in seconds and has no tubes, so cleanup is basically a rinse at the sink. Espresso is smooth and dependable, and the interface is simple enough for the whole household to use. It's a fantastic first super automatic or a set-and-forget daily driver. The trade-offs? It's more plastic than premium, and milk texture skews creamy rather than latte art microfoam. But for hassle-free cappuccinos, it delivers. Number 4. Philips 4400 LatteGo. Think of this as the 3300's more polished sibling. You still get the ultra-easy LatteGo system, but with more one-touch drink variety and quality-of-life upgrades that make mornings quieter and quicker. Espresso has a bit more punch thanks to finer adjustment steps, and the menu covers everything from simple Americanos to indulgent milk drinks. If you value speed, silence, and dead simple cleaning, the 4400 hits the sweet spot. Just know it remains focused on automation. Manual milk texturing control is not the point here. Number 3. KitchenAid KF6. KitchenAid brings its made for the kitchen, not just the cafe vibe, to a fully automatic machine. The KF6 offers a sturdy build, a responsive interface, and a milk system designed for consistent foam with minimal fuss. Heat up is fast, grind adjustments are straightforward, and programming your usual drink is painless. It's a great balance of premium feel and everyday ease. If you're deciding between KitchenAid models, the KF6 is the value play. Clean, capable, and satisfying without tipping into luxury pricing. Number 2. KitchenAid KF7. Step up to the KF7 for a more premium experience. You get a more refined design, expanded drink customization, and a smoother overall workflow, from bean to cup to cleanup. The grinder and temperature controls offer finer tuning, helping you dial in richer extractions with repeatable results. Milk drinks come out plush and consistent, and the broader profile options make it easy for multiple users to save their favorites. If you want that extra layer of polish and programmability without going full high-end, the KF7 is the move. Number 1. De'Longhi Rivelia. This is the most versatile machine in the lineup and our top pick for coffee lovers who like to switch things up. The standout is its dual, swappable bean hopper system, perfect for jumping between a bold dark roast in the morning and a delicate single origin in the afternoon without emptying the grinder. De'Longhi's milk system produces reliably silky foam, and user profiles keep everyone's go-to drinks a tap away. The interface is intuitive, the footprint is kitchen-friendly, and shot-to-shot consistency is impressively high. If you're chasing variety and convenience in one compact package, the Rivelia leads the pack. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If this helped, like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what you want us to test next.